So first of all, we want that when the user clicks on the particular button, then they should be redirected to the particular screen which they are required. So we are going to just first that when this button 1 is clicked, then it will set then screen number 2 this screen, but it will not show them label number 6. They will hide it. And when in the button number 2 is clicked, this button number 2, then what is going to happen? Then they will be redirected to screen number 3, isn't it? Now, but when we go to screen number 2 and 3, there are some labels also. So if the user clicks on a particular label, what will happen? So for that, we are actually going to write on event when label number 3. So when label number 2 is clicked, means this label is clicked, and they will be redirected to screen number 3. And when they go to screen number 3 and when they click on this label number 4, then they will be redirected to screen number 2. But they should also be not shown the element what was wrong with the password, because they should be only shown if there is a mistake or if they have not entered correct credential information. Now we have to create an account. So for creating an account, what work do we need to do? So here, as soon as they click this button that is sign up, what is going to happen? It is going to create a new record. It is going to create a new record that will be of accounts. So when this button number 4 is clicked, then new table would be created actually, and the name of the table would be accounts. Then the name code is going to be actually username is actually just a second. So here we are going to first go to show log, and there are just one, so we are going to add more entries. So here you can just write username is equal to get So now username is equal to actually the text which has been, so get text from here, text input 3. Now we go to show text. Now we are going to do that password is equal to password is equal which what happened is what was that is password is equal to get text from the ID that is text input 4. So I hope that's pretty clear. So if this table would be successfully created, suppose when I click sign up and create my account like Eduler sign up, I go to my data section. So here I see accounts table and I can see Eduler. So because there are two responses, I will delete one. So well, I can see that there are two. I can see two reasons. I can see the username and password. maybe I have pressed it twice, that is why it is created 2 times. It could happen anyway. Now after creating a successful account, they shall be redirected to a different screen, which is set screen number 2. That they should be first logged in and only taken into the app. But this element should be hidden. That is label number 6. So I hope the things which I'm trying to convey to you is pretty clear to you. Now next what we are doing is we are doing that when this login button is clicked, when button number 3 is clicked, then what's going to happen? Then it is going to read record. So we are going to show block. Then it is going to read record from the table number, table that is accounts, which is already created. Next, we will remove this control.log and then we are going to add an if statement. If statement with else. Now let's go to show text. Now we are actually writing is if suppose the username which has been written, the user has written, if it's matching to the records, now if it's matching with the records which has been already created, then what's going to happen? We first will add one more if statement. We're going to add one more if statement, like it's not enough. Username should not match, but also password should also match. So let's add one more if statement here itself. Now same, it just with same thing, it just copy this same thing and then we will do the required changes, isn't it? So if now from the record, from the column that is password is just same as text input number 2, then what's going to happen? Then if it's successful, then they are going to be redirected to the screen number 4. But what if these 4 things don't match? Then they will have to see the element that is wrong username or password. So label number 6. So they would be shown the element label number 6. Now let's run this app and I will just sign up first because I have already signed in. So I will log in now. So eduler and eduler. But I will write now wrong password. Login. It's in wrong username password. So I will enter correct username login. It's now redirected to this screen because it's successful log. So with this we have actually created our very most interesting app that is nothing but this app name is Realtime Login and Sign Up. But do you know why is this useful, guys? This login and everything? Because later on when you are trying to create some of the complex applications from App Lab, then this login system is the must, because in any complex application login system is there, isn't it? Like in WhatsApp there is a login system, in Facebook there is login system, in Instagram there is login system. So in many such applications there are login systems, Zomato, Swiggy, any. So for each we need a login system. So if you know how to create this login system, then actually you know how to create complex applications. Like if you're making a chat application, then there also you need a login system. Or else how the users know to whom they are talking to. So this is actually what we call as a login system. And don't worry, in the upcoming videos, we are going to make some of the very complex applications from AppLab. And I'm not sure, like in the next video, we are going to create a global time chat application. And to the next of this global chat application or by AppLab, we are going to create a private chat messenger, yes. So just stay tuned to the channel because the video shall be uploaded very soon. So stay tuned.